In front of me is VIVO X300 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into the app menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen twice. So this was the first one and the second one. Now look for location shortcut and click on it. As you can see, mine turned grey, which means that location is off. To turn it on, click on the same one until it's white. Quick tip: if you wish, you can also go into settings, scroll to choose location section available here, and use this switcher to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!